to stop over there real quick.
Okay. What do you want, twerp?
I just wanted to say, whoa, look at that. I just wanted to say that you're such a loser.
Get lost. I'm busy.
Everything okay?
Perfect.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, God. What did you eat 16 pounds of beans this afternoon, or did a skunk die in here?
Oh, man, I'm miserable. Feels like I swallowed a helium balloon. My gut just keeps pumping gas out my...
I know where it's coming out of. Just be merciful and open a window or something. I'll change in the bathroom till you leave.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, my.
Not again.
That wasn't me.